Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. In this tutorial I will show you make these images for free. Open your browser and search for bing.com. Click on images. Click on the character. Click on the create. Here you can take your prompt in the description. Click on the create button. Click on images to preview. Let's try another sample. If you want to download this, please click on the download button. Simply click on download here and you will get images without any watermark. If you interested in more AI tutorials, subscribe to my new channel. I am sharing new tutorials and prompts daily. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.